The Qlife Electric Bike for adults stands out in the crowded marketplace of electric bikes, particularly for those seeking a blend of speed, power, and versatility. With a robust 1200W motor, this e-bike promises to deliver a thrilling ride, whether you're commuting through urban streets or taking on rugged mountain trails. Upon first glance, the design is sleek and modern, appealing to both minimalists and those craving a bit of flair in their ride. One of the significant highlights of the Qlife Electric Bike is its impressive speed capability, reaching up to 25 miles per hour. This speed is particularly beneficial for commuters looking to cut travel time without sacrificing safety. The bike features 3 different modes: electric, assisted, and pedal-only, allowing riders to choose how they want to navigate their journey. The electric mode is a game-changer for those long uphill climbs or when you're in a hurry, while the assisted mode offers a nice balance of effort and support. The 1200W motor provides substantial power, making it easy to tackle steep hills and rough terrain. During my test rides, I found the acceleration smooth and responsive. The bike's torque allows for quick starts and a confident feel, especially when merging into traffic or overtaking slower-moving cyclists. This power, however, is complemented by a robust aluminum alloy frame that provides both strength and lightweight maneuverability. Weighing in at around 60 pounds, the bike strikes a balance between being substantial enough to handle rugged conditions while still light enough for easy handling. Another noteworthy aspect is the bike's suspension system. The front fork is equipped with a full suspension that absorbs shocks effectively, providing a comfortable ride even on bumpy surfaces. This feature is particularly advantageous for those who plan to take their e-bike off-road or on uneven city streets. Coupled with 26-inch tires, the bike offers excellent traction and stability, allowing riders to feel secure at high speeds. In terms of battery life, the Qlife Electric Bike comes with a 48V lithium-ion battery that offers a range of 20 to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on factors such as terrain, rider weight, and mode selection. This range is impressive for a commuter bike, making it suitable for daily use. The battery is easily removable, which is a significant plus for those who may want to charge it indoors or take it with them to extend their ride time. The bike also features a user-friendly LCD display that provides crucial information like speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This display is intuitive and easy to read, even in bright sunlight, which is a thoughtful design choice for those who ride frequently. The Qlife Electric Bike also includes integrated lights, making it safer for nighttime rides. The presence of reflectors and a horn adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring that you're visible to others on the road. On the comfort front, the Qlife Electric Bike is equipped with an ergonomic seat that is adjustable, ensuring that riders of different heights can find their ideal riding position. The handlebars are also adjustable, allowing for a customized fit. During my rides, I found the bike to be comfortable for extended periods, which is essential for those planning long commutes or weekend excursions. While the Qlife Electric Bike is packed with features, it is not without its drawbacks. One area for improvement could be the bike's weight distribution. While it is reasonably light for an e-bike, some users may find that the weight is more concentrated towards the rear, which can affect handling, especially for inexperienced riders. Additionally, while the bike is designed for durability, the components may not be as high-end as some premium brands, which might be a concern for those looking for long-term durability. Overall, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults offers an impressive combination of speed, comfort, and versatility at an attractive price point. Its powerful motor, good battery life, and thoughtful safety features make it an excellent choice for commuters and adventure seekers alike. While there are some minor areas for improvement, they do not overshadow the bike's many strengths. For anyone looking